Good morning, my dear students. Today I will start from class 5 and 6. What is prime number and what is composite numbers? Prime numbers only can divide by 1 and it's this number. Okay? That means these numbers have only two factors. 1 and its own number. Suppose it is 7. Factorize of 7 is 1 and 7. Only two factors are there. Okay? These numbers have only two factors. Okay, one is 1 and the number itself. One factor is 1 and the number itself. If it is 5, also the same, 1 and the number itself. That is called the prime number. That means prime number have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Composite numbers have the more than two factors. Okay, that means composite number, if suppose it is 2, the factors of 2 8 is 1 2 4 and itself. That means more than two factors are there in the composite number. Okay, this one is called the composite number and also the prime number. Prime number have only two factors. First 1 and second is the number itself. But composite number has its the more than two factors are there. Okay. After that we should go what is LCM and what is HCF. LCM, that means lowest common multiples, and HCF, that means highest common factors. Okay, highest common factor. How to solve? At first I should discuss about HCM or highest common factors. At first find out the common factors, then you should find out which is the highest common factors. Suppose it is 18 and it is 24. So you should find out at first 2 into 3 into 3. 24 right over here. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. That means at first you should find out the common factors. So HCM is 2 at first right over here. After that 2 is in here but not is in there, so you didn't write it. After that 3 3, so you should write here 3 6. That means the highest common factor of 18 and 24 is 6. That is the rules. Okay, and the different types of rules are there. One different type is there. This one is called the division method. When it is a big number or bigger number or bigger number, you should find out the HCM by the follow of division method. How to solve by the division method? Suppose it is here. Exercise 2D right over here. 2 4 1 1 0 5 7 2 and 1 0 7 8. How to solve how to find out the HCF using by the method of division. Using by division method also you can find out like this. Okay, by you should find out by division. 550 is in here. Okay, remainder is 22, so we should taking this number from the here to here. We should division 522 is 110. That means we are getting 22. So that after that the next is 178. We should division by 22 because 22 already not have is in their remainder. That's why we should taking 22. Okay, 422 is 88. One. And we should take in 8 2 here. 9 2s are 18, so we should multiply with 9. 9 2s are 18, that's why 1 is in the next left. 9 2s are 18 plus 1, 19. That is 198. And here 9 here, so we should write here 9. Equivalent is 0. That means we are getting the 22. So that the 8CF of 110, 572 and 1078 is 22. Okay, do you understand? We should do the HCF or highest common factor like this. This one is called the division method. This one is called the division method, and also I taught you the which one is the factor tree method. Okay, after that we should go the next, which one is LCM. LCM, that means lowest common multiples. Lowest common multiple. By using the prime factorization method, how to find out LCM from class 5, 15, sorry, that is 12, 15, 30. Suppose it is 12, 15 and 30. Okay. At first we should take in 12, and 6. 6 also divide by 2 and 3. After that 15. Sorry. 3 and 5. After that 30. 2 and 15. 15 right here. 3 and 5 are the prime factor. That's why we should circle it. If it is composite number or composite factor, we should square or rectangle, etc. Okay. Factor of 12 is 2, 2 and 3. Factor of 15 is 3, 5. Factor of 30 is 2, 3, 5. Find out the LCM. At first you should find out the common factor. 2 not here, 3. 3 here, 3 here and 3. So you should write here 3. After that taking 2 here and here, you should write 2. Okay. After that 5 and 5 is in there. You should write here only 1 times 5. Okay, because 1 times 5 is in here and also 1 times 5 is in here. So we should write here 1 times 5. After that we should go the next left. Next left 2. So we should write 2. All the numbers we can write. 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 22, 23s are 60. Okay. So the LCM of 12, 15 and 30 sorry, is 60. Okay. Then also we should do the use a division method. That means short division method. If we should do the short division method, it is like this. Which number can be divided by all numbers? 5. 5, 3, 2, 3. So we should write here 3, 3 4s are, 3 5s are, 3 10s are. After that we should go the next 5 and 10. Also goes to the 5. 4 is in here because 4 cannot divide by 5. That's why 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 4. And in that time 4 and 2 can be divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 2 1s are 2. That means we should write here for LCM 3, 5, 2 and this 2. 1 is not necessary to write here because if any number can be multiplied with 1, that is also the same number. 3 5s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 30 2s are 60. That is also the same 60. Okay, this one is called the short division method. Short division method. and previous one is the prime factorization method. Okay, so the LCM, that means lowest common multiples, and HCM, that means highest common factors. Okay, these are all about of HCF and LCM. These are the all about of HCF and LCM. But if is there any problem, when you will solve it, if is there any problem, you will tell me again. Okay, I will solve it, and I will tell you again, and I will taught you again. Okay, thank you so much, my dear students.